Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from the lesson 8. An ideal ruler from class 7th history and civics textbook. So let's start. Class 7th history, chapter 8, An ideal ruler. 8. An ideal ruler. Question 1. Find it from the chapter. Sub-question 1. Grave dangers in the life of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer. Events like the meeting with Afzal Khan, the siege of Panhalgarh, the attack on Shaisthakan, the escape to Vishalgarh, conquering of Sinhagarh and the escape from Agra involved a great amount of risk to the life of Shivaji Maharaj. Sub-question 2. They risked their life at the time of Maharaj's escape from Agra. Answer. Hiroji Farjand and Madari Mehtar risked their lives at the time of Maharaj's escape from Agra. Sub-question 3. What warning did Shivaji Maharaj issue to the Deshmukh of Rohira Valley? Answer. 1. Shivaji Maharaj issued warning to the Deshmukh of the Rohira Valley not to fail in his duty towards the riot. 2. He was also asked to visit every village and shift people to a safe place down the Ghats without any delay. 3. Maharaj further warned him that if does not take care of the riot, then the Mughals would take the people as prisoners. Then it would be seen as the Deshmukh's doing. Sub-question 4. What inspiration can future generations draw from the life of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer. The future generations can draw inspiration from the work of founding Swaraj and turning it into Swarajya by Shivaji Maharaj as an ideal. Question 2. Write about it in your own words. Sub-question 1. What warning did Shivaji Maharaj issue to his soldiers to avoid any loss to the riot? Answer. 1. Shivaji Maharaj gave warning to his soldiers not to fail in duty to the riot. 2. During the times of foreign invasion, to shift people to safe place down the Ghats. 3. The failure to take care of the riot and in the event the enemy took the people as would be seen as their doing. 4. He ordered soldiers not to cause any harm to the riot in any way. Sub-question 2. How do we know that the religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was that of tolerance? Answer. The following things indicate that Shivaji Maharaj followed a tolerant religious policy. 1. He continued the facilities that were given to the Muslim places of worship in the territories conquered by him. 2. He had strictly instructed the soldiers not to harm mosque. 3. If they came in possession of a copy of the Holy Quran, they should hand over the same to a Muslim. 4. He had loyal Muslims like Siddi Ibrahim, Siddi Hilal and Daulat Khan in service. Sub-question 3. Explain Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding the army. Answer. 1. Shivaji Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in his army. 2. He had instructed his soldiers not to cause harm to the riots and the mosques. 3. He paid salary in cash and on time to his soldiers. 4. The army was ordered to deposit any valuables collected during a campaign in the enemy territory with the government. 5. He honored the soldiers for their bravery and looked after their families who died in the battle. Question 3. Give one word for. Sub-question 1. An important officer in the Navy of Swaraj. Answer. Daulat Khan. Sub-question 2. A Tamil poet who composed a poem on Shivaji Maharaj. Answer. Subramanyam Bharati. Sub-question 3. He created an independent kingdom in Bundelkhand. Answer. Chhatrasal. Sub-question 4. He composed a Povada on the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.